Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about how to find out the dual of a given Boolean expression. First of all, what is dual of a given Boolean expression and what is duality principle, that we are discussed in this video with two example problems. In the previous videos, we are already discussed how to simplify the given Boolean expression or how to reduce or minimize the given Boolean expression with 20 example problems. If anybody wants that videos, please refer that videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, Divvela Srinivas Rao. This is my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my YouTube channel for future updates. If anybody wants discrete mathematics videos, design and analysis of algorithms videos, data structure videos, computer organization videos, please refer my channel Divvela Srinivas Rao. Now in this video, first of all, what is dual of a given Boolean expression? So dual of a given Boolean expression can be obtained by replacing addition by multiplication. That is, plus can be replaced by into. Second one, multiplication by addition. That means into is replaced by plus. Third step, 0 is replaced by 1. Fourth step, 1 is replaced by 0. Whenever these four steps are completed on the given Boolean expression, then we are getting the dual of a given Boolean expression. Okay, now consider this example. So find out the dual of a given Boolean expression. This Boolean expression can be represented by capital F. Capital F is equal to A into B plus B bar into C plus A bar into C bar. The dual of this Boolean expression F is denoted by F power D. So F power D can be obtained by replacing multiplication by addition, addition by multiplication, 0 by 1, 1 by 0. So these are the modifications that we have to be done for getting the dual of the given Boolean expression F. Here A into B is there. So here A into can be replaced by plus. Next B. Next plus is there. Plus is replaced by multiplication. Next one is B bar. Next into can be replaced by plus. Next C. Next plus can be replaced by into. Next one is A bar. Next into can be replaced by plus. Next one is C bar. So this is the dual of this given Boolean expression. Okay. Next I am taking another example. So another example is second problem. F is equal to A plus B bar, A bar plus C. Next one, B bar plus C bar. So find out the dual of this Boolean expression. So the dual of Boolean expression is represented by F power D. So F power D is equal to, so here A plus B bar. In between them addition symbol is there. Addition symbol can be replaced by multiplication. So then we are getting A plus B bar can be replaced by A into B bar. Next one, here into symbol is there. This into symbol can be replaced by plus. Next one, A bar plus C can be replaced by A bar into C. So that means plus can be replaced by into. Next one, into that is multiplication symbol can be replaced by plus. Next one, B bar plus C bar can be replaced by B bar into C bar. Okay, so plus can be replaced by into can be replaced by plus. In any Boolean expression, suppose 1 is there, 1 can be replaced by 0, 0 can be replaced by 1. Okay, so then the dual of the given Boolean expression is, so AB bar plus A bar C plus B bar C bar. Okay, so this is the dual of this Boolean expression F. Okay, so in this way we have to find out the dual of the given Boolean expression. Okay, so 4 steps we have to perform to get the dual of a given Boolean expression. So addition can be replaced by multiplication, that is plus can be replaced by into. Second step, multiplication can be replaced by addition, that means into can be replaced by plus. Third step, 0 can be replaced by 1. Fourth step, 1 can be replaced by 0. So these are the steps, 4 steps we have to perform on the given Boolean expression to get the dual of the given Boolean expression. Next one, what is a duality principle? What is duality principle? Suppose A and B are two Boolean expressions. A and B are two Boolean expressions. Okay. Suppose Boolean expression A is equal to Boolean expression B. Okay. So then dual of Boolean expression A is A power D is also equivalent to dual of Boolean expression B. Okay. So A and B are two Boolean expressions. Suppose if A is equal to B, then dual of Boolean expression A is also equal to Boolean expression B. So this is called as duality principle. Okay. So let A and B are two Boolean expressions. If Boolean expression A is equivalent to Boolean expression B, then dual of Boolean expression A is also equivalent to the dual of Boolean expression B. Okay, so this is called as duality principle, and this is called as how to find out the dual of a given Boolean expression, and these are the two examples on dual of given Boolean expressions. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So Divvela Srinivasara. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting future updates. Thank you one and all for watching this video.